My name is Lacey Garner. I am the U.S. modeling leader here at Circana. I am so excited to come back for a third year this year. I keep coming back because I get inspired by all of the stories I hear from other people. My colleague Scott Sherliff and I will be speaking and sharing some of our own stories of the last 4 years since we started learning about Shingo. What's cool and a little different about Circana? We work completely virtual. I live in Idaho and my manager lives in Georgia, and I lead a team that lives across the globe. Circana is in 15 countries, and in operations alone, we have 3,000 people speaking multiple languages. We have a factory, but you can't touch what we build. We collect, process, and load data on our technology, and it helps our clients get clarity out of the complexity of big data. Come reminisce with us if you've been on your Shingo journey for a while. Just getting started? Come find out some ideas of where to start. Celebrate the 80s May 9th and 10th. Don't go dancing in the dark. This year's conference will be the spark that starts your fire, your very own Shingo spark. Sign up today and we'll see you there.